Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to factory reset Firestick with remote. Let's go. First way, restart. Hold down the run button and the play pause button. Your Firestick will be rebooted. Second way, factory reset. Hold down the button to the right and back. Wait 20 seconds. After that, your Firestick will be reset to factory settings. That's it. Now you know how to factory reset Firestick with remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.